morning, students. Today we are going to continue this sets topic, exercise 2.1. Let us complete question number 1. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Now we have to decide. Some statements are given. Now we have to decide whether they are sets or not. First one, the collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Now let us write it is a set or not. In a list of months, now we should write the months which are beginning with J. So first January, June, July. So these are the months in a year which are beginning with the letter J. So it is properly defined. So we have written the set. If it is properly defined, then we can give the unique answer. So if it is properly defined, we got that collection as set. Therefore we can write it is a set. Second one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. The collection of 10 most talented writers in India. Here it is not properly defined because 10 most talented writers means we cannot get exactly 10, we may get more than 10 also. So this giving ranks, it is not properly defined. So it is not a collection because someone will write 10 names, some other will write some other 10 names. Like this it is not uniquely defined. So this is called a collection. Write the third one. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. A team of 11 best batsmen in cricket in the world. So here in world cricket, ranking is there: best batsmen, best bowlers, best wicket keepers, like this ranking is there. So it is properly defined. So it is a set. We can give 10 names, we can give 11 names. So because this ranking is there, so it is properly defined. So it is a set. Now fourth one, the collection of all boys in your school. The collection of all boys in your school. The collection of all boys in your school, it is properly defined. So it is a set. The collection of all boys in your school means it is properly defined, so it is a set. Next, the collection of all even integers. Even integers means 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These are all even integers, even positive integers. So even integers. So even integers means we have to include negative numbers also. So it is -6, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. These are all even integers. Integers means negative numbers will be there, positive numbers will be there, 0 is also even number only. So all negative integers, positive integers including 0 is called integers. In this set of integers we have to take even numbers. So these are negative even integers, positive even integers including 0. This is the answer. So it is properly defined. So we call it as a set. If the collection of objects is properly defined, it is a set. So it is properly defined. So we can say that it is a set. Right, question number 3. Write the following in set builder form. Write the following in set builder form. Number 1, 3, 6, 9, 12. Here one set is given 3, 6, 9, 12. Let us suppose it is A. These are what? Multiples of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. First 4 multiples we have taken. Therefore we have write like this: x is such that x is equal to 3n. 3 into n. N means multiple of 3. 3 into something. Where n is a natural number, how many values we have taken? Less than or equal to 4. N value, if you write 1, 3 into 1, 3. N value is 2, 3 2s are 6. N value is 3, 3 3s are 9. N value is 4, 3 4s are 12. Less than or equal to 4 means up to 4 including 4. So x such that x is a multiple of 3. These are all multiple of 3. How many multiples you have taken? 4 multiples. Now the second one, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Let us suppose it is a set which is represented by B. Now let us see what are these numbers. This is 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. That means these are all x such that x is nothing but 2 to the power n. 2 to the power 1 means this, 2 to the power 2 is this, 2 to the power 3 is this, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. So n is a natural number. How many natural numbers? Less than or equal to 5. If you substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you will get this. So these are all exponents of 2. 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 5. Write the third one, 5, 25, 125, 625. Let us suppose this set is represented by the letter C. What are these numbers? First let us know. This is 5 means 5 to the power 1. This is 5 to the power 2, 5 into 5, 25. 5 to the power 3, 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. This is 5 to the power 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So x such that x is equal to 5 to the power n, where n is a natural number. How many natural numbers we have taken? 4. 5 to the power 1 is 5, 5 to the power 2 is 25, 5 to the power 3 is 125, 5 to the power 4 is 625. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, like that up to 100. Let us suppose this set is represented by D. Let us see what are these numbers. First one is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 5 into 5, 25, like that. This is 10 square. That means these are all x such that x is equal to, these are all what? N square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, dash dash dash, 10 square. Where n is a natural number. How many natural numbers? Less than or equal to 10. N is equal to 1, first one, n is equal to 2, second one, n is equal to 3, third one, n is equal to 4, fourth one, n is equal to 5, fifth one, like that, n is equal to 10, last one, 10 square is 100. So these are all x such that x is equal to n square, where n is a natural number. How many natural numbers you have taken? First 10 natural numbers. So they are squares of first 10 natural numbers. Right, question number 7, last problem in this exercise. Write the following sets in roster form. Write the following in roster form. Write the following sets in roster form. First one, A is equal to x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number greater than 50 and less than 100. Greater than 50 and less than 100. Second one, B is equal to x such that x is an integer x square is equal to 4. Now the third one, D is equal to x such that x is a letter of the word loyal. So here set builder forms are given 3 sets. Now we should write this set builder form in roster form, that is list we should write. Here D is equal to x such that x is a letter of the word loyal. In loyal word, let us see how many letters are there. First one is L, O, Y, A. L is occurring 2 times, but in a set we should write only 1 time. L, O, Y, A. These are the letters of the word loyal. Now, here A is a set which contains the elements such that x is a natural number greater than 50 and less than 100. Let us see what are the natural numbers greater than 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, like that. 97, 98, 99, less than 100. So these are the natural numbers which are more than 50 and less than 100. Here B is a set which contains the elements such that x is an integer of the word x is equal to 4. X square is equal to 4. Now x square is equal to 4 means what is x value? Plus or minus root 4, that is plus or minus 2. Therefore B contains minus 2 and plus 2. If you substitute x value minus 2 whole square is 4. If you substitute x is equal to 2 square is also 4. Therefore, there are two integers which are satisfying the given equation. What are those two integers? Minus 2 plus 2. If you substitute x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to plus 2, you will get the answer 4. Therefore, he asked us to write the integers which are satisfying this equation. So, these are the two integers. If you substitute them, you will get the answer 4. So in this way, first we should calculate those two integers. X square is 4 means x is equal to plus or minus root 4, that is x value is plus or minus 2. So plus 2 and minus 2, these are the two values satisfying this equation. So with this we completed exercise 2.1. Tomorrow we will continue the next exercise. Thank you.